Hey lovelies, today we'll be learning how to do the bed of paradise using the Vinyasa flow. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. We're going right into this video with a little warm-up, some shoulder rolls, some inhaling and some exhaling, and just align your body to prepare. Guys, I'd already warmed up before I started this video, so you can go ahead and take your time to do this video. Next pose, we're going into downward dog and then to three-legged dog on the right, and then from there we're going to go straight into side angle, and from that side angle we're going to lengthen out into triangle. Guys, in triangle you want to stay longer because bed of paradise allows you to go straight, grabbing the legs and seeing how far we can go. So from here we're going to go straight to warrior two. Guys, go into warrior two, sit into those hips, sit into those thighs, and from here we're going to go to vinyasa, low plank, upward facing dog, and back to downward facing dog, taking each of the backbone as gently as you can go. Three-legged dog on the other leg, go into side angle on the left, and just lengthen out. You want to lengthen out, and then go into triangles gently. When you go into triangles, see how you can turn and create more space. Then go into warrior two, straight into warrior two, sitting into those thighs, sitting into your hips, and just seeing how long you can stay here, warming up properly before you go into bed of paradise. Now guys, we're going to go into side angle again, low plank, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. That's the vinyasa flow, people. Stay here, and since we have warmed up, we're going to go straight into three-legged dog again. This time around, see how far we can go, and then sitting in side angle again. Now because we are warmed up, we're not going to take too much time in the side angle. We're going to go straight to triangle, and then from triangle we're just going to adjust ourselves as needed, lengthen out those hands, and then go into warrior two. And from warrior two we're going to see how we can try to go back to side angle, side to triangle, and then take a half bind. So you take your right hand underneath that right leg, come to standing, and voila, we're in bed of paradise. So guys, you're going to keep trying to lengthen out and just come back to your vinyasa, which is low plank, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog. Straight up, we're going to three-legged dog on the left, go as high as you can go, side angle on the left, twist, and twist and twist. Immediately after that, we're going to triangle, lengthen out in triangle, and see how far you can just create more space around your shoulders. Then we'll go to warrior two, and after warrior two we're going to get ready to settle back down into side angle, half bind. So that left hand is coming to triangle, and then you take a half bind on the left hand side and slowly walk that right leg forward and lift up in bed of paradise. Find that balance, see how far you can lengthen out those legs in bed of paradise. It's a hip opening pose, a shoulder stretch, and a very good pose for you to just see how you can go. Now guys, we're going to take vinyasa again, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Guys, this is how you can practice your bed of paradise. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to join the AYG family by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and please like these videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.